Shadow Palace and Prince. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there stood a magnificent palace draped in the shadows of a dark curse. This palace, once a symbol of beauty and joy, had become a place of sorrow since the evil witch Malvina ensnared a beautiful princess within its walls. The people of the kingdom spoke that if someone breaks the magical mirror hidden in the lake, the palace of shadows will be freed from the shadow of the witch Malvina and the princess will be saved. When the story reached Prince Ronan of the neighboring kingdom, he decided to save the princess. Prince Ronan was very brave and courageous. He had the ability to talk to animals. He announced that I will free the princess from the clutches of the witch Malvina. The queen was astonished at his daring pledge.
You cannot venture alone into the heart of the Curse Palace. The witch is powerful and cruel.
She warned with fear, but Ronan stood tall, his unwavering spirit shining bright.
I am not alone. I can talk to animals. They will help me find my way.
And with that, he embarked on his journey towards the dark palace. As he approached the cursed palace, a dense fog wrapped around him, making it difficult to see. This must be the witch's magic, he whispered, and started moving forward without fear. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a wise old owl perched on a tree branch. Who goes there? The owl hooted.
It is I, Prince Ronan. I seek the magical mirror hidden in the lake, the key to saving the princess from the clutches of the witch.
Many have sought that mirror, but none have returned. The path to the lake is fraught with danger. Would you like guidance? Asked the owl, peering at Ronan with its wise eyes.
Yes, please.
With that, the owl shared the secrets of the forest. Follow the silver stream that leads you to the heart of the woods. Beware of the thorny vines that are witches' minions, ensnaring the unsuspecting. The owl advised. Grateful for the guidance, Prince Ronan thanked the owl warmly before setting off through a dense forest. The silver stream sparkled in a dim light, guiding him like a shimmering ribbon. However, true to the owl's warning, thorny vines began to creep towards him from all sides. Stay back, Prince Ronan shouted valiantly. Drawing on all his bravery, using a sturdy branch as a shield, he swung it against the vines, scattering them back into the bushes. Heart pondering, he pressed onward. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Ronan reached the lake. It was hidden in a small glade swamp with vibrant flowers and surrounded by towering trees. The surface of the water reflected the sky like a silver mirror, shimmering with magical energy. In the center of the lake, floating the magical mirror, bobbing gently as if awaiting him. Prince Ronan took a deep breath.
O magical mirror, grant me your power to vanquish the witch that has captured princess. I seek to break her curse and bring light back to the kingdom.
The mirror began to shine brightly, illuminating a figure swimming towards it. To Ronan's surprise, it was a beautiful water queen, flowing with the grace of the waves. She spoke, Brave prince, to wield the power of this mirror, you must first prove your courage. You must drop the depths of the lake for a magical stone. With courage, Prince Ronan dove into the cool, clear water. He swam deeper and deeper. The water swirled, dizzying him. Suddenly, he spotted the shimmering stone at the very bottom, pulsating with the light of hope. With a determined kick, Ronan snagged it and burst to the surface, barely making it back to the lake's edge. Now you are ready. Smash the mirror with the stone, and your path to defeating the glitch will reveal itself, and you will get the powers of the mirror. Prince Ronan nodded gratefully, and with a swift motion smashed the stone against the mirror. Instantly, an explosion of shimmering light engulfed him, swirling around until it took form an enchanted map that unfolded before him. It showed you the way to Malvina's lair, the spirit instructed. With the enchanted map leading the way, he ventured through dark thickets and twisting paths, overcoming various trials, his courage weaving them together as a united force. He navigated through brambles, crossed roaring rivers, and climbed steep cliffs, all while fending off the witch's magical traps. During his journey, Forest animals like lions, foxes, deer, rabbits, and even squirrels helped the prince. Finally, he reached the cursed palace where he found Malvina encased in shadows. The witch cackled weakly, her eyes glinting with malice as she said,
Intruders, you dare challenge my power.
I am Ronan, prince of the nearby kingdom. Your reign of terror ends today.
If you think that you will free the princess by killing me, then it cannot happen.
said Malvina, attacking the prince. The prince bravely fought Malvina using the powers of the mirror. Malvina could not last long against the power of the mirror and the bravery of the prince as the shadows around her dissipated and she became weak. With one last scream, Malvina disappeared and the shadows crossed over the castle. Prince Ronan entered the castle and was taken aback by the prince's beauty.
Oh, brave prince, you have come for me. I knew someone would save me.
Prince Ronan broke the chains that held her captive, and they stepped out of the darkness together. As they emerged from the palace, the kingdom rejoiced. People celebrating Prince Ronan's bravery in freeing the princess. The two heroes stood hand in hand, knowing their hearts were forever bound by their adventure. In the days that followed, Prince Ronan and the princess were married in a beautiful ceremony, attended by all their friends and family. And then Prince Ronan and the princess ruled the kingdom together for many years. And the kingdom that was once in the shadow of despair now flourished with laughter.